Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening one of the holiday sets. Now all the seasonal sets tell you what it is on the side. So this one's a gingerbread roll. Now there is a rare with this series. You'll see it pictured right here. It's a National Lampoon like eggnog mousse thing that's really cute. It says it could come in any of the sets. I weighed all the duplicates I have because I ordered these online. So I don't think I found that, but I did get this one. And then the Christmas tree for sure. Didn't find the charcuterie board or the rare, but let's get to making this one. It looks fun. They come in a gold container. Oh my gosh, how cute. We have gingerbread cookies and they're already decorated. It looks like there's two different versions, the girl and the boy, because some have bow ties. Also have, here's a checklist, only 4 to collect. I'm excited for the Christmas tree, but I didn't open that one first because I'm a little intimidated by it. Ooh, girl, yeah, you gotta put it together. Look at that. It's like a real fake real fake Christmas tree. Ooh, snowflake patterned table with the gold base. That's cute. I like the seasonal ones so much. We have a roll cake and it says mocha on it. Seasonal packaging. Oh, that's so cute. So the top of the container this time, it's holly. And there's a hole through it, so I guess you could string it up and even like hang it as an ornament. That's pretty cute. Gold tongs. Spatula. Ugh, I love this paper. Gingerbread wrapped paper. Looks like a platter with a gold thing to set on there. Fancy. We have some holly. And are those mushrooms that are decorated? That's pretty amazing. What else? Some sugar. And lastly, should be the resin. Yes. This one's going to be a lot of fun. So here's what the Yule log will look like. Kind of interesting. Yeah, I don't know. And the instructions, it just tells you to put resin on it, add a bunch of things, and cure it. So I'm not gonna cure stuff to the platter, I don't think. But I guess maybe I'll stick a gingerbread person on it. It's kind of an odd setup if I'm being honest. At least I think it is. I don't know if you guys think it's odd, but they gave us the typical roll cake where you get one piece off to the side and they have it like that with a gingerbread man standing on top of it. Not sure if I feel the need to do that, but I guess I could stick one on here on the front. I don't know. Leave me a comment if you think that's awkward, because I kind of do. I don't know, that might be cute to have one standing on there. Maybe we'll do that. I also know I'll probably be going through the effort of doing this, and then my almost 7-year-old is gonna roughly play with it and probably dislodge the gingerbread man. But we'll see. She has broken a few. And this is pretty dark, so we're not going to be able, but it doesn't look dark on here. I'm so confused. We're just going to go with it. Take a little dollop. I guess if you spread it very thinly, you can still see the swirl. So I guess that's it. You don't want to glob it on there. Maybe it'll lighten when it cures too. I'm not sure. So this one's the girl. I feel like she's not gonna stand well on there. Or not, maybe, I mean, maybe she looks like she's doing okay so far. Should we give her a mushroom? And maybe like a sprig of holly. Let's see if I could place all this on here without, nope. I'll say without knocking it over, knocking her over. Okay. What does her holly look like? I feel like that's a lot of stuff to put in a tiny space. Maybe I'll just put a couple of the berries. Maybe like support. I think that looks goofy. I don't know. Let's see what they have again. No, I mean, that's how they have it. I just think it's odd. I guess I could, these are all really big pieces. I guess I could cut a tiny piece so it's not so big. Okay, I cut off just a sprig. I'm gonna try to, maybe I should dip it in resin first. Tuck it back there. And set that outside to cure while I do the rest. Now to do the top of this one. We're gonna have a lot of resin, I think, left over. I'm gonna add a little bit down the side. I don't really know if it shows you fully covering it in resin. I guess there's really not a need for that. Then we have some stuff we're going to decorate it with, and then our sugars. I keep referencing this because it's such a goofy kind of look to me. I'm going to try to at least go for the vibe they're going for. And I feel like they must have cut some of these. They're so big. That's the one that I trimmed a little. And then put some of the berries on there. And again, I did not put much resin on here, but it should be okay as long as everything's touching. But it will be pretty delicate, I fear. So let's do one more berry. And put it right there. And then let's try to sprinkle it with some of the sugar. Oh, that's real fine. It kind of looks like salt coming out of it. Making quite the mess, but that's okay. A little bit of powdered sugar look to it. Once I cure that outside, I'll probably shake off all that sanding sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna put just a little bit on the back of here and press it up against there. So I'll have them stand straight, just like that, and then I'll cure it and show you an up-close view. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's cute now that it's done, but I do still think it's kind of weird. But I have the girl with the mushroom and the berry. She is leaning a tad. I feel like I could have done, I think like the icing I put on here was enough. I probably should have added some sugar on there. Probably should have added some more resin on top of this. I just think it would have looked better maybe with the contrast. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. let's see, out of 10, I guess I would rate this one a 7 at least. But leave me a comment, let me know what you think of it. If you want to see me make the Christmas tree, subscribe and stay tuned because that one will be next. Bye guys!